Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. If you're a big fan of the Merkur 34C, which many of us are, this is the razor that I like to call the workhorse of the industry. A lot of gents start safety razor shaving with this razor. Sometimes, if you're a larger person, it can be a little too small for your hand. It doesn't really go down into the palm, so it might be troublesome for you. The solution to that problem is the Merkur 38C. Right here, it's got the same head. Both are two-piece razors, but this one, as you can see, 38C, more substantial handle, gives you a lot more to hold on to. So, larger stature, bigger hands, more comfortable shave, gripping and holding on to this razor, the 38C. It comes in this chrome version, also comes in a black handle version. So I'll perform a shave with this today. I think I'll go with the black one today. Don't believe I've shaved with this one before. So we'll put that through its paces today. As you can see, it's got chrome banding down here at the bottom and then black running all the way up the handle, just smooth matte black, and then more chrome banding up on top. Here's a look at the head. The bottom of the handle has no markings, just polished chrome. As I said, it's a two-piece razor, so spin the dial at the bottom. That releases the head, pull it right off. I'll be shaving with a Dovo Super made in Germany blade right here. That I've got a couple shaves with this blade already. So we're going to give it a go and perform a shave with that one. We got this new shaving cream, LEA, comes from Spain, mentholated, and we'll mix up a lather in the Shave Nation lather bowl right here. I've had this soaking under some hot water to warm up the cream and warm up the bowl. I'll remove the cap. Let's squirt a little bit right down into the bottom of the Shave Nation bowl. Just fill up that lather spot. Just a droplet down at the bottom. And we'll take our Simpsons Trafalgar T3 brush under the water. Just saturate the tips on that. And we'll go right into the bowl. See if we can mix a lather. This shaving cream does have a tinge of green. So it's kind of interesting that it is still menthol. I guess not that interesting. It's menthol. It does have a tinge of green, but look at how quickly it lathers up. 30 seconds, pressing the tips down into the lather spot. You can see generous amounts of lather right there. Wow, it's spilling out over the sides. Really lathers up easily and quickly. The bowl is filled, the brush is filled. Check it. All right, I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Whew, it's hot. All right, let's take our bowl, our brush, generous amounts of lather. Lather up, starting on the right, over to the left. Swirling, painting, dabbing. Across the mustache. Figure eight, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways. Here we go, the Merkur 38C in black. Under the hot water. Start on the right side. Cut that sideburn. Work your way down. Flip it over. Both sides filled, rinse that. Rinses out very easily and very comfortable, drops right in the palm, you can spin it. Very nice, medium aggressive shaving razor. Great for everyday shaving. Left side, cut that sideburn. cleft, rinse off. Right down the neckline. Very nice. Rinse. Mustache. Scoop right under the nose. You can get it under the nose easily. Rinse. Relather for the second pass. Plenty of lather here. Just a light coating this time. And this shaving cream, it is mentholated. You can feel the tingle, the coolness, slight menthol scent, not too overwhelming. Just a nice pleasant menthol scent. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways again. First pass was north to south with the grain. Now we'll go across the grain. Backhand. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse that. Across the mustache. First the tip, under the nose, then lay it flat. Excellent. Another quick rinse. Now we'll hit those cheeks. We're just gonna get those cheeks baby smooth with this third pass against the grain on the cheeks. Stretch the skin, you're gonna skim. This is the skim coat. That's great, but skim. Just find that sweet spot. Right there. Other side. Nice audible feedback there too. Okay, that gets your cheeks super smooth. Excellent. Rinse that. A final cold water rinse to the face. Takes a bit to rinse off that cream. It's got a very nice cushioning to it. Very slippery, slick. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block, remove the cap. Under the cold water. Just glide that over all the areas you shaved. Recap it, set that off to the side, then let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Just leaving the face slightly damp, we'll go with some Proraso, menthol and eucalyptus, aftershave balm. Excellent for a day like today. You know, it's about 20 degrees in Chicago. So you want a nice protective balm that will give you some protection throughout the day, covering your face with a thin layer, the aftershave balm. Then just let that air dry, or you can take your towel and just the old barber trick, like so. I went from a couple days beard growth down to baby smooth, cheeks, mustache, chin, neck, everything. Excellent shave provided by the Merkur 38C. Very comfortable in the hand. A great shaving razor, excellent for everyday use or 2 or 3 days beard growth. Remove that very easily as well. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. over 500 videos, shaving, and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.